Morning, by the way, what are you doing?
Oh, I marinate a chicken for lunch because it's a time to lunch now. The time it's so very fast.
Yeah.
So I marinate a chicken. Actually, I put limoncito and black pepper, also salt, rock salt, but no more rock salt now. I think I put iodized salt here. It's iodized salt. This one. I put the chicken if you have a breading mix. Yeah, it's a breading mix. So I put a constant. Anyway, what's your question?
What kind of recipe that you made that chicken?
Oh, this is a fried chicken. I want to marinate this breading mix, but I don't have breading mix, so that's why I put a black pepper and salt and lemon. Also, I marinate garlic, sliced garlic. I mean minced garlic. Yeah, and I marinate so. This is a fried chicken later.
Okay. Okay.
Anyway, how's your day, Charina?
Yeah. Actually, I was good, but definitely I can't even answer. It's good or if I don't know.
Okay. I
Ha.
understand.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your favorite food, Charina? You
Um.
like fried chicken or barbecue chicken?
I like fried chicken.
Oh, fried chicken.
Yeah.
You like fried chicken. So
Yeah. Yeah.
me too, but I like very much is barbecue chicken.
Oh, really?
Uh, what uh, what's your favorite dishes like sa you know my English is Carabao going to Subway. Thank you so much, Harina. And anyways, guys, have a nice day. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you so much. Hope you support that channel support. See you next my video, everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.